Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about how we can get the Wi-Fi password of any profile. Alright, so first of all, we will create our Python file. Let's name it as get Wi-Fi password. Okay, right. To get the password, we need to import a module called subprocess. Right, then I'm taking a variable Wi-Fi name. So you need to provide the Wi-Fi name for which you need the password, right? So for now, my Wi-Fi name is Mahadev. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to call a command subprocess dot check output, and there we need to give this command. Follow this command with me. Net sh wlan show profile, and here you need to provide the Wi-Fi name variable, right? And then key equals to clear. Then along with that, we need to provide few arguments like shell is equals to true, which says that Python need to run this command in system cell. Okay, and then we need to tell what encoding we need. So we are keeping UTF-8, which is world famous, right? So this command will fetch you all the details of this Wi-Fi name profile. So we'll keep this inside a variable output, right? And let's see what is coming inside the output. We'll run this. Now you can see whole profile is coming. All user profile. Then this is the Wi-Fi name, and you will get the password here in the key content. Inside security settings, you have key content. There you have your password. Now we want to fetch it out also. So it is inside the complete string. We need to fetch this out. So what we can do, for now I will comment this print statement, right? And then what we need to do, we need to take a variable lines, right? And then what we can do, we will split all these lines. So splitting these lines, what we will get, will show print lines. So everything will come inside a list. Oh, we missed it. We need to write it as split lines, right? Now I will run this again. Now you can see inside a list, whole data is coming now. Now what we need to do, we need to iterate through all these indexes, right? And then we need to find out where is the key content. Key content is somewhere here, right? And then we will get this data, right? For that, what we can do, we can put a for loop for line in lines. And now what we need to do, if what we need, key content, if key content in line, right? If you get the key content, put it inside password line. I'm giving it as a variable. Password line is equals to line. If you find it, then put that data into password line and then come out of the loop. So how you can come with the break statement, right? I'll remove this print statements from here, right? Now if I got the password in line, then I can put a check. If password is available, then we need to do certain things. What we need to do, if password line, then what we need to do, Let's print what is coming inside password line, right? So let's check it. Now you can see the key content is here and the password is here, right? Now go to CLS, let's clear it out and then run it again. Your key content is this, right? Now we need to get this value first, right? The password alone we want. So what we can do for that, let's have another variable pwd. Okay, what we can do, we can split it with the colon. Okay, with the colon, let's split it. Then the value will come at the one index number 1, and then this space is also coming here, so we will strip this out, right? Now we can print our password easily. Print, let's type it as password is your pwd, and then in else statement we can write print password not found, right? Let's remove this line, remove this print statement. We are missing on something here. Let's see. Yeah, what we again, this comma needs to be here, right? Now print it. Something is wrong again. We need to put the split here. The spelling needs to be correct. Let's put CLS again, clear the screen and then run this up. Now you can see your password is here, right? So this is how you can get the password of all your saved Wi-Fi profiles, right? So I'll delete all these print statement to look it more beautiful. Let's give it a one line here. Remove this line also, and now let's put CLS, and we are seeing our program here, and run this now. Now you can see your password is here. I have another profile also of Wi-Fi, like 5Z, and then run this. If you run this, you have your password here also for this profile. So you can change your Wi-Fi name and get the password. If you have any doubt, do let me know in comment section. Thank you.